Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today we are here at United Evercore Motorsports Bandar Sunway for a very special and one-of-a-kind project. This is going to be another first in Malaysia project by us Dita Racing in collaboration with United Evercore Motorsports. So what we are currently working on is right over there. Today we have a very beautiful and timeless classic Ferrari F430 in for exhaust upgrade. So the brilliant exhaust system, basically it is separate into three parts: the headers, the downpipes and the rear muffler section. For the headers, these are actually the long tube headers, as you can see. So for all the owners that are driving the naturally aspirated Ferraris, the 360, the 430 and also the 458, this is what you need for your NA Ferraris. You definitely need these long tube headers in order to create the very high pitch screaming F1 sound on your NA Ferraris. Then to the middle section we have the catless downpipes. Then this is the titanium heat shield for the muffler section. And to the rear, this muffler section is where all the magic happens. As you can see, this is the rear muffler section, specially produced by Brilliant Exhaust for the F430, but this is not the regular F430 muffler. Instead, this is actually a Scuderia muffler because the owner actually has some big plans for his F430. We are converting the F430 to a Scuderia bumper, and that's why we will need this Scuderia rear muffler section for the car. So this muffler, of course, it comes with the valve control function and with Brilliant's very own technology and their own R&D that developed this muffler section to have the highest possible frequency, the F1 sound for the F430. Before we install this Brilliant exhaust system on the F430, now we will have a sound check on how the car sounds with the factory exhaust system. So currently the car is 100% original bone stock with all the original exhaust parts on the car. Alright, so after a week of hard work and all the modifications that has been done on the F430, our client's car basically is ready for collection, and soon he'll send the car to repaint the entire car. So what are the modifications that has been done on this beautiful F430 is that we have our Brilliant full exhaust system installed, included the long tube catless headers, then we have the catless downpipes, as well as a F1 version high pitch rear muffler exhaust system installed. So basically this car is fully converted to the F430 Scuderia. We have the F430 Scuderia rear bumper, then we have the side skirts as well as the front bumper converted to Scuderia, and also this custom exhaust tips installed on the rear bumper section in order to fit with the Brilliant exhaust system. So now let's start up the car and listen to how it sounds with the Brilliant exhaust system, how much difference it is compared to the factory exhaust. I believe that the difference is going to be massive, and as you all know, Brilliant exhaust system, they are famous for creating some of the highest pitch F1 sound exhaust system in the market. So the F430 definitely will sound incredible now. Alright, so we have completed the F430 Scuderia conversion project for our client's car. So now this car sounds absolutely amazing. It's a lot of difference compared to how it was with the factory exhaust system. This brilliant exhaust system from Japan, it sounds amazing on the car. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the brilliant exhaust system? How does it sound on the V8 Ferrari F430? And also do let us know what do you think about the Scuderia conversion kit. If you are interested to convert your Ferrari F430 to the Scuderia kit, as well as install a brilliant exhaust system, please contact us. We have different options for your car. And also, if you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.